At WGU, the journey to become a nurse includes a mix of flexible online learning and a little bit of travel for in-person learning. A few times during your Prelicensure BSN program, you'll spend a week or so at one of WGU's clinical learning and simulation centers. Whether you drive or fly, the Learning Lab experience is designed to be more than just a school trip. It's your opportunity to build hands-on skills and confidence, make lifelong friends, and experience places you may never have explored before. When it's time for clinical rotations, your education takes place closer to home. You'll gain first-hand nursing experience at local assigned healthcare facilities run by WGU's carefully selected healthcare partners within your assigned district. You'll get to serve real patients in the communities that matter most to you. When you earn your BSN degree at WGU, you won't just get a degree. You'll gain the skills you need to succeed and memories to last a lifetime. Learn, grow, travel, become a nurse. Apply today at wgu.edu.